Tired of that one person ruining your Discord voice chat? You know the one. They breathe heavily into the mic, their keyboard sounds like a jackhammer, or they just won't stop talking over everyone. Learn how to mute them instantly without leaving the channel. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and you don't have to block them or storm off. We will cover 3 ways to handle this. Muting someone just for yourself, so you can't hear them. Server muting, if you are an admin or moderator and need to silence them for everyone. And silencing notifications, so you can finally get some peace from their messages and DMs. Let us start with the quickest method. All right, method 1 is just for you. This is client-side muting, meaning only you stop hearing them and nobody else knows. Here's how it works. First, join the same voice channel that they are in. You have to be in the same channel for this to show up. Once you are in there, look at the user list on the right side of the Discord window. Find their name in that list of people in the channel with you. It should be pretty easy to spot. Now, right-click directly on their username, not on their avatar, not on the channel name, on their actual name. A menu pops up. Look for the option that just says Mute and click it. That is it. You will see a little red microphone icon with a slash through it appear next to their name. That icon is your confirmation. They can still talk, they can still be heard by everyone else, but you will not hear a thing from them. It is completely private and completely reversible whenever you want. Now, if you are an admin or moderator in the server and this person is being a real problem, like playing music through their mic or screaming, you have a much stronger option. Locate the user in the server. You can find them in the voice channel or just scroll through the member list on the right. Right-click on their name again, but this time look for an option that says Server Mute. Go ahead and select that. This is different from the first method. Server Mute actually prevents them from speaking in any voice channel on the entire server. Nobody can hear them. And here is the really important part. They will know. Their microphone icon will turn red, and they will see a notification that a moderator has muted them. So use this wisely. There was also something called Server Deafen right next to that option. Deafen is a step further. It mutes their microphone and silences their speakers, so they cannot hear anyone either. That is useful for extreme cases, like if they are causing an echo or playing audio through their speakers. As an option extra, if they are being disruptive in text chat too, you can assign them a muted role. That disables their ability to type in text channels altogether. But that is a bit more advanced and requires having the role set up ahead of time. For the third method, this one is for direct messages and notifications. Maybe someone keeps pinning you with stuff you do not care about, but you do not want to block them completely. Find their profile. You can do this from a direct message chat or by clicking on their name in a server. Then click the 3 dots button, the More menu, right there on their profile. A drop-down appears. Look for Ignore or Mute at Username. It might say one or the other depending on your Discord version. Click that, and a dialog box will ask you how long you want this to last. You can mute them for 15 minutes, an hour, a day, or even until you manually turn it off, so you have total control. While you are muted, you will not get any notification pings or alerts from them. They can still message you, but you will not see the red badge or hear the sound. It is perfect for those moments when you just need a break from someone without it being a whole dramatic thing. So whether it is a loud voice channel, an annoying direct message, or a full-blown server problem, you now have the tools to handle it. No more leaving the channel, no more blocking friends. Just mute and move on. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will catch you in the next one.